Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to learn about something very important, how to use a DCP type fire extinguisher. Whether you are at home, at work, or anywhere else, knowing how to use a fire extinguisher can save lives. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is a DCP type fire extinguisher? DCP stands for dry chemical powder. This type of fire extinguisher is versatile and effective against Class A, B, and C fires. These include common combustibles like wood and paper, flammable liquids like gasoline, and electrical fires. Let's take a closer look at the parts of a DCP fire extinguisher. Here, we have the nozzle, the handle, the safety pin, and the pressure gauge. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with these parts before an emergency happens. Now, let's learn the steps to operate a DCP fire extinguisher using the PASS technique: pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. First, P is for pull. Pull the safety pin out to break the tamper seal. Next, A is for aim. Aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. It's important to aim low. S is for squeeze. Squeeze the handle to release the extinguishing agent. Finally, S is for sweep. Sweep the nozzle from side to side, covering the area of the fire until it is completely out. Remember, it's always important to keep a safe distance from the fire and move closer as the fire diminishes. And once the fire is out, keep an eye on the area to ensure it doesn't reignite. Before we wrap up, here are a few safety tips. Always have a clear escape route before using a fire extinguisher. Never turn your back on a fire, even if it appears to be out. If the fire is too large or out of control, evacuate immediately and call the fire department. Now you know how to use a DCP type fire extinguisher safely and effectively.